Kamusta mga shibal? Ito na naman tayo. Kami may trabaho pa, yung iba nakakapag-summer na, nakakagala na. Pero okay lang, hindi ko na sasabihin kung bakit okay lang. Isipin lang natin na kahit na mahirap, sumasakit na yung kamay mo, sila nakakapagbakasyon na. Merong positive way pa rin na magandang naidudulit yung mga ganung bagay. Kaya sa mga nagbabalak na mag South Korea dyan, yung mga nagre-review, nag-iipon ng maraming vocabs, pagtuunan nyo pa rin pansin yung pagpapalakas ng katawan kasi magagamit nyo yan dito. Etong trabaho namin na to, madali pa to, napakadali pa nito. May mga trabaho dito na mas mahirap pa dito, kaya mas maganda kung yun yung mga paghahandaan ninyo para kung kahit konti lang yung vocabs na dala ninyo pero malakas naman yung pangangatawan ninyo, makakasabay kayo, hindi kayo madaling sumuko. At sa mga nandito na, tuloy nyo lang na ituloy. Mag-ipon kayo. Minsan, gumagastos, okay lang yun. Kumain ka, bumili ka ng mga bagay na gusto mong makapagpasaya sa'yo, okay lang yun. Pero, sabi nga sa kanta ni Flo G, okay lang kumain kung nagugutom, pero dahan-dahan lang, baka mabulunan ka sa mga bunga ng iyong pinagpaguran. Yo, yo, yo! Sige na mga shibal. Susunod na lang. Alam.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crowd, I'll go get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, try to see where we grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in and not getting there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, this a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I'll win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Yeah. To see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to fall. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.